Okay, we're talking about how to installation for the knock. Okay, this part already included in the shipping. These screws you need to bolt by yourself from the local for the installation. First, fix the cylinder. Fix the lock to the door. Okay, the cylinder here, to be shorter, here is around 2 cm is okay. It will be shorter like this. Here, keep 2 cm. Okay. Okay. Fix this screw to the here, and will be short for here. Keep 1.3 cm from the door to here, and the others will be cut. Okay. You see, we here already shorter the screw already. Here is around 1.3 cm. Okay. Fix. Okay. Okay. And then, okay, here to match the cylinder. Okay. See here. Okay. 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 Here like this. Okay. Here. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, fix. Fixed. Okay, fixed. This part already fixed. Okay, see. Okay, then we fix this one. Okay, then next this